Good morning, friends. Today we shall be seeing answer writing part of ethics. But before that, we shall quickly see what would be the schedule for the next 2 weeks. As you can see, today is Tuesday, that is May 19th. We are doing answer writing, and next comes some basics from 20th to 25th, like what is character versus value, and law versus ethics, ethics versus morality. I'll give you the basic differences, and then on 26th, few definitions, as we have already discussed in the previous video how we have to make our own definitions. I'll show you few of them, and on 27th we'll be discussing few vocabulary from 27th to 31st. Okay, and next we'll move on to one of my answer which I've written in ethics test series of Lukman. So we shall see the question first. What are the determinants of moral values of society, and how they influence adherence of ethics in such society? Explain with examples. So for this, first I have defined a definition to that. At the starting of the part itself, I've written what it means, and then I've given quickly few examples below that. And next I have followed by I have moral values are determined by, means what are the determinants they have asked. So I have written few determinants for which the review is good, because making this in a constructive way, that is dividing your answer and writing it, gives you an edge over others because it is well organized and it is easy and legible to see, and it also tells the examiner that you have addressed all parts of your answer. So next comes few explanation with examples, and then I've concluded with a good line, good quote. As I've already told you, we should learn one quote per day. From tomorrow I'll start that. Let us quickly read what I've written. So moral values are set of principles that an individual attaches with certain degree of importance in a society. My moral values may be different from yours. For example, I consider being honest is my moral value, and considering work as worship may be my moral value, and you may feel that selflessness is a moral value that everyone should possess. So it depends on the individual who is um, you know determining this, and how these moral values are shaped among individuals. It happens because of the type of socialization, because the type of people we are with also determines our values. And next is personal experiences and episodic events and social norms. Taking these four, I have explained content in the next page. Let us see. For first one I have written socialization, right? And taking that, I have written explanation. You can read it. So I have said that in the early stage of imparting values in family is very important to a child. It teaches him or her respecting elders, sacrifice, tolerance, collectivism. And the next comes a in school we'll be learning uniformity, compassion towards fellow classmates, thereby influencing to be ethical. And uh, and later on there are many episodic events in our life which changes our moral value. Because see, I have written something like this. When a person come across a dreadful accident on a road leading to death of many school children, this might instill a sense of responsibility towards society that overspeed is harmful. After giving good explanation with examples, I have concluded with this. Ethics is a lighthouse of ship of humanity sailing in a sea of morality. These kind of statements you can make your own, or you may borrow from the toppers copies also. And I've got good review to this question because I've addressed all parts of the question in a organized manner, and I've given good examples supporting it. And as I've already told you, examples are the backbone of your ethics answer. So let us collect more examples on each topic. In further sessions we'll be doing all the required theory part. We will do the theory part as well as collect examples and make good answers. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this session.